Welcome to Black Horse Garage. My name is John Bonanno and I have the pleasure of showing you this amazing car care kit that we put together. We spent over 45 years, my father is the founder of this company, working with some of the best detailing products in the world. As you can see, we work on some incredible cars that deserve the best products that we can possibly find. We've assembled these products, which we believe are the latest and the greatest products that you can get available, and they've been tested over time here in our facility. Let's start off with this incredible bag. So let's take a look at the exterior of this bag. When we were designing it, we wanted to go for a traditional look with class. As you can see, we have brass fittings, a leather grip, and a shoulder strap. We also love the color combination. This is what we call first place gold. Taking a look at the business end of the bag, as you can see, there's a large amount of room for all your Black Horse Garage detailing products. And in these pockets, these are oversized pockets with elastic straps. You can hold all your tools and products or your favorite bottle of wine. So let's take a look of the 6 products that come along with the kit. True gearheads love to get their hands dirty with their cars, and nothing gets rid of those greasy fingerprints like a gearhead spray with the Carnubius wax. It will clean, protect, and shine. Sometimes your car needs a wash and you're not near any water. Have no fear, the waterless Cactus Car Wash and Detailer will clean your car safely without any scratching of the paint. It's also safe to use on chrome, polished aluminum, stainless steel, plastic, and glass. Don't forget the interior of your car. The real OG all-purpose interior cleaner will remove the toughest stains on carpet, fabric, vinyl, and plastic. The spray is mild, so it's not going to damage any of the electronic components. You can tackle the dirtiest wheels with the Elephant non-acid wheel cleaner. This stuff will remove the brake dust and road grime, and it's safe to use on the most expensive wheels. To keep that showroom quality prized possession shining like new, just spray and wipe the Sunday Driver wash and wax. After cleaning the interior with the real OG, condition and soften your fine leather interior with the Leather Therapy Spray. The lotion offers UV protection and will extend the life of your leather. And as you can see, it's flexible enough to put in any kind of trunk you can imagine.